Let us solve question number 24, guys. So the volume in ml of 0.1 normal NaOH required to neutralize 10 ml of 0.1 normal phosphinic acid is. So what is the structure of phosphinic acid, or what is the formula for phosphinic acid? Phosphinic acid is H3PO3. Phosphinic acid is H3PO2. To this you are adding NaOH. Phosphinic acid is a monobasic acid, that is, it will lose only one H plus. As it loses one H plus, so what we will get? NaH2PO2 plus H2O. So here the ratio is what? The ratio is 1:1, right? So what we'll apply? We'll apply NaVa is equal to NbVb. So what is the normality of phosphinic acid? Normality of phosphinic acid is 0.1. Okay, what is the volume of phosphinic acid? Volume is 10. Okay, what is the normality of NaOH? Normality of NaOH is 0.1. So what is the volume of NaOH required? So volume of NaOH required will be 10 ml. So that is your answer, guys. A very simple question, I would say. It's like a bonus question if you're well aware of this formula, guys. Okay. Only tricky part over here was the formula of phosphinic acid. Rest all was easy. So the answer over here is 10 ml, guys. Let's solve question number 25th. That is the last question of this session, guys. So if 250 cm cube of aqueous solution containing 0.73 grams of protein A is isotonic with 1 liter of another aqueous solution containing 1.65 of protein B at 298 Kelvin, the ratio of molecular masses of A and B is. So you have to get the answer in terms of what? Into 10 to the power minus 2. So if these solutions are isotonic, then pi A will be equal to what? Will be equal to pi B. This is also indicating that Ca will be equal to Cb. That is, concentration of A will be equal to what? Will be equal to concentration of B. So what we do with just find the concentration of A. So this will be 0.73. This will be 0.73 divided by the molar mass of A into 1 upon 250 into 1000, that is equal to 1.65 divided by the molar mass of B into 1 upon 1. The volume is given in liters, so we'll not multiply here by 1000. Okay, so let's proceed ahead. So we have to find MA by MB, right? So what we'll do is, so MA divided by MB, so this will be equal to 0.73 multiplied by 1000 divided by 250 into 1.65. So if you solve this, guys, if I solve this and I keep it in terms of what? I keep it in terms of 10 to the power minus 2. So we will get the answer as 177 into 10 to the power minus 2. So answer is 177, guys. I hope you have understood this. A very simple question, but just that there were some calculations involved at the end. Okay, so I hope you have understood each and every question that we have done over here. Okay, and all your doubts of this paper, that is 3rd September evening shift, are absolutely crystal clear, guys.